Claus come?
Hi, honey. Merry Christmas.
What?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
I heard that.
What's that? I guess Santa came.
What's it? Did Santa bring that to you, Lily?
I know what.
Yeah, also baby. I love baby too.
What?
Baby.
What? Whoa!
Oh, Kenny. Kenny.
And the candy.
Candy, wow.
It's this.
Did Santa bring all this, Lily?
It's this.
Okay,
Oh,
look,
Santa.
Lily, look. Did
She
Santa?
watches the
Lily,
candy.
did Santa eat the cookies?
Oh, he took them. Where are all the cookies gone? Look, they're gone. Where's all the cookies gone? Look, Santa Claus drank all the milk.
Read the note. What did Santa say?
Dear Lily, thank you for the milk,
Open.
the cookies and celery for the reindeer.
Kenny, open. Kenny.
You want to open the candy? Okay.
Open.
You were a very good girl and I want you to be a good girl always.
Open.
Now Santa, Rudolph and the reindeer. Wow! Who brought you the dollhouse from Santa Claus? Wow, it's all yours. Yay, from Santa Claus. Hi!
Did Santa come, Lily? What did Santa bring you?
I'm not Kenny.
He brought you the candy cane? Well, if we had known that was all you wanted.
It would have been much easier.
Daddy. That's Daddy.
That's Daddy.
Okay, take a picture of Daddy.
That's
Okay, take a picture of Daddy.
Well,
That's Mommy.
Yeah.
are you telling that to Santa Claus, who everybody is?
Wow, you got a
Do
dollhouse.
you want to open a present?
No.
No.
How about your stocking? Let's look what's in your stocking, Dad. Do you want to grab the stocking? See
You
what's in
can
it?
grab the stocking. Let's see what's in your stocking.
And these are there, though.
Okay. Oh, that's you. Look. Oh, wow. You got people for the dollhouse.
Oh, who's that?
Oh, we
Interesting.
open.
Oh, wow.
Yay.
Hey, look, you got two babies. Wow.
Oh, Daddy.
And you can put them in the dollhouse, can't you?
Oh, Daddy.
And you got a daddy. And a mommy. Oh, mommy's hard to open.
These are.
Oh, mommy's got blonde hair. Wowee. Do you want me to move the dollhouse out? You can move it out here?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. The house
Very
is
nice.
moving.
Yeah.
Wow, the house moved.
This is open too. The top's up. You can eat the top.